Click on the link below to get price. The OnePlus 15 is a smartphone that aims to deliver a well-rounded user experience, featuring a combination of high specifications and a user-friendly design. With its impressive 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, the device positions itself as a capable option for individuals who seek both performance and space for their applications, multimedia, and files. When you first hold the OnePlus 15, you'll notice its sleek design that balances modern aesthetics with functionality. The device incorporates a dual SIM capability, which is particularly beneficial for users who manage multiple numbers for work and personal use, or for those who travel frequently and wish to use local SIM cards. Unlocked from any specific carrier, the OnePlus 15 offers the flexibility to choose service providers according to individual preferences. Central to the smartphone's performance is its Snapdragon processor, which is known for its efficiency and speed. This chipset enables smooth multitasking, allowing users to switch seamlessly between applications. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming content, or gaming, the OnePlus 15 is designed to handle demanding tasks without noticeable lag. The ample RAM further supports this performance, making it a reliable choice for power users. The OnePlus 15 also brings significant attention to its display quality. Although specifics about the screen size and resolution are not detailed here, users can generally expect vibrant colors and sharp images, which enhance the overall viewing experience. This can be particularly advantageous for those who frequently consume video content or engage with visually rich applications. When it comes to day-to-day usage, the OnePlus 15 provides an intuitive interface that is accessible to both tech-savvy individuals and those less familiar with advanced smartphone features. The Android operating system it runs on is known for its customization options, allowing users to tailor their devices to suit their preferences. Additionally, the smartphone's battery life is designed to keep up with busy lifestyles, enabling users to stay connected throughout the day. In conclusion, the OnePlus 15 stands out as a versatile smartphone option that caters to a variety of user needs. With its robust specifications, dual SIM functionality, and a design that emphasizes both performance and usability, it is well suited for anyone looking for a dependable and efficient mobile device.